welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be making pambazos, and I start off by boiling 8 potatoes and 8 chile guajillos. In a blender I put 2 garlic cloves, a piece of onion, 3 tablespoons of the chicken powder. I add the chiles, and I also put salt to taste, that would be to your liking, and I put water to almost cover the chiles because I don't want it to be too liquidy. Blend that and then strain it and set that aside. In a different pan, cook your chorizo. You can cook any chorizo you like. I used beef. In a different pan, I put about a tablespoon of oil with chopped onion. You saute that until it's almost translucent, and then add the cooked potatoes, peeled, and smash them up. At this time, you can add salt if you like to the potatoes, or you don't have to because the chorizo is already salty, and since you're gonna blend those two together, you might not need to, unless you like it saltier. Then it's up to you. Then you add the chorizo to the potatoes and mix that up. Then it's time to cut up these are teleras. They're different from bolillos. These are more flat, more like for a sandwich. I got out a little bit of the inside so I could fit in more of the filling. Then dip it in the sauce. It's kind of like a wet burrito. In the pan, about a tablespoon of oil, or you could use less, or even you can use the aerosol spray of the cooking oil, and about a minute on each side, and then it's done. Then bring it out, and then you can stuff them with whatever you like. I used lettuce, sliced onion, sliced tomatoes, Mexican sour cream. You can also add onion if you like. And that's it. Easy to make, delicious. It's a street food. It's mostly from Mexico City. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much.